Unlock the power of learning. Mastering English with visual association. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our educational journey where today, we're diving into a fascinating method to enhance your English learning experience: visual association. This technique is not just effective but also makes learning a new language fun and engaging. Let's embark on this visual adventure together and unlock the secrets to mastering English. Visual association involves linking a piece of information, like a new English word or phrase, with a visual image in your mind. This method leverages the human brain's natural inclination towards remembering images more easily than isolated pieces of information. By creating a mental picture related to the word or phrase, you can significantly improve your ability to recall it later. Research shows that our brains are wired to process visual information 60,000 times faster than text. This is why when you associate an English word with an image, you're more likely to remember it. This method taps into the visual spatial learning style, where learners find it easier to visualize information and hence, remember it better. 1. For vocabulary building. When learning a new word, try to imagine a scene or object that reminds you of that word. For example, for the word serene, picture a calm and peaceful lake. 2. For grammar, associate grammar rules with symbols or scenarios. For instance, imagine a traffic light to remember verb tenses: green for present, yellow for past, and red for future. 3. For idioms and phrases, create a vivid story in your mind that illustrates the idiom. If the phrase is break the ice, you might visualize someone literally breaking ice to start a conversation. Be creative. The more unique and vivid your image, the better you'll remember. Use emotion. Images connected with emotions are easier to recall. Practice regularly. Revisit your visual associations frequently to reinforce memory. Share your images. Discussing your images with others can help solidify them in your memory. Visual association is a powerful tool in your language learning arsenal. By connecting words and phrases with images, you're not just memorizing, you're creating a rich, memorable context around your learning. We hope this video inspires you to experiment with visual association and adds a new dimension to your English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.